Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40, and today I'll show you how you can customize quick latch in this smartphone. So you have to go for the settings, find additional settings, go for the gesture shortcuts, and we got a few options. We can double tap fingerprint sensor, let's set up as a calculator, turn on torch on the double press power button, and also we can go for the launch camera, and we can use double press volume down button and take a look right now. We set it up. When I double touch power fingerprint sensor, I can open the calculator. When I double click power key, I can quickly open the torch. So take a look. And when I double press volume down button, I can quickly open the camera. So that's it. That's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.